just so nice. Don't even know what to say. So nice. All of us drillers welding tabs on the casing and doing some clamping technique. Just nuts. And tooling like this is available. And Larry at TekMark is just good people. He's really got a niche in the market.
And are these 20-foot sticks too? Yes, sir.
Nice trailer setup. These boys in Cortez, I mean Pueblo, I don't know why I keep on saying Cortez, just like their trailers. And just little trailer, got a couple spare wheels, and got his welder, got his model set up, and yeah, just couple toolboxes, drags it behind a short bed Dodge, and off to the races. He's in business. Just